iPhone SE 2022 owners complain about constant reboots. Problems began with the release of iOS 15.4 update. Firmware 15.4.1 did not fix the situation. In early March, Apple's cheapest 5G-enabled phone, called the iPhone 2022, or iPhone SE 3, was released. It is built on the same Apple A15 society as used in the iPhone 13 series. Recently, there have been more and more reports from users who report that smartphones are rebooting on their own. On Apple's tech support site, users are reporting that their iPhone SE 3 has rebooted multiple times over the past couple of weeks. Someone writes that they discovered the fact of a reboot when they just took the phone out of their pocket. In other cases, the phone restarts when it is connected to the charger or disconnected from charging. Users confirm that the problem started with the release of the iOS 15.4 update, while the 15.4.1 firmware did not fix the situation. Apple is looking into the situation by collecting data from users.